I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back.
Hi guys, so I am recording on my brand new camera. I am trying out a couple of different things. I'm trying out a microphone, make sure that it works, and then trying out, the settings and all that stuff. I know this is not a flattering angle whatsoever, so excuse my double chin or whatever I got going on here. But today I thought that we would do a vlog style kind of video on the new camera, just to kind of see how it works, play around with it. Today is Saturday. I don't know when I'll get this edited and posted and up to you, but it is a Saturday and it is my Saturday. So what I mean by that is, other than doing YouTube videos and the antique booth, I am a full-time nurse. So I work 3 12-hour shifts during a week. So our week is from Sunday to Saturday. So that is our work week. And it fluctuates. I have to work every third weekend, and then we divvy up the holidays as my department policy states or dictates. So this happens to be a for real Saturday and my Saturday. I worked yesterday, which was Friday, and it was a for real Friday, so it was my third day in the hospital. So when I say, it's a Saturday and it's my Monday or whatnot, whatever that is what I'm talking about. So, I finished my third shift of the week yesterday on Friday, and today is Saturday. We have a couple of things to do. We already went to the booth this week. So we went on Thursday. So I try to get to the booth once a week. That day is like a mini restock, a mini clean, and kind of a mini reset. So we already did that this week, and that was on Thursday. And I posted a little bit on Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, for sure hop over there, because I do a little bit more daily kind of vlogs over there, and then behind the scenes what we're working on video wise, and what fails, what's good. Right now I'm throwing a pizza in the oven because I'm starved. I woke up around 7:30 this morning. I planned out my day. I talked with my husband, see what we have going on, kind of connect on our schedules a little bit, what his plans are for this weekend and my plans are for this weekend. We sit and talk about these things, and then I planned out my stuff on my schedule, and I'll show you here in just a little bit as soon as I put the pizza in the oven, what kind of how I plan out my day. It's not exact. So I write everything down that I would like, not everything, but the major points of what I would like to get done that day. And I give myself some grace, because I really try to overdo my work, my non-work days, my days off, because I try to get as much stuff as I possibly can. Anybody else does that? I do it. I do it all the time. I overwork myself. But, so I wrote down my plans of what I would like to do. We're going to start on a new video soon. And you haven't seen this yet, but hopefully I can get it edited and post it up. We finished my grandson's dresser. We finished that up. So that's done recording and everything, and I need to get that edited and up on the channel. So we need to start on my granddaughter dresser. So we can get all that stuff done, the prep part of it done. We'll get that done, and then eat our lunch, all that stuff. So that's the plan for this weekend. So I'm gonna put my pizza in the oven, and I'll get back to you. Okay, so I have you down. This is just a loop term, 1917. It's very prevalent in the bullet journal world. But all I do is put down my weekly stuff, and then my highlight or my overview, and then daily I write what I need to get done. So that is kind of what the week of this week looks like, and then I start planning out next week. So we already did today right here, and then my other journal is room makeovers. We are going to do a couple of videos here in the future over redoing a couple of rooms in our house. First one is going to be the living room, because there is going to be a furniture piece that I'm going to redo when we are done with the granddaughter's dresser. So that is all in plans. And this is the YouTube notebook that I write down just my thoughts and my editing steps of what kind of clips I want, and then some verbiage of what I want to do. So that's what it looks like. That's what my life looks like right now. All right, guys. So he's making the legs for grandson's dresser. He's trying to figure out before we tape it, so that's what he's doing. Anyway, I have to look for some paint. Specific paint I'm trying to look for is glass paint, a certain kind of brand, and we have an art store. We have two art stores here, but one that I go to, it's called Blick, B-L-I-C-K. Anyway, Blick has this certain kind of paint. It's a glass paint. So I have an idea for a video, and I tried several different methods. One turned out more opaque than I wanted. I wanted a little bit more translucent. So right now we are looking on our phone. I can order it from Blick, but then there's a $9 charge. It's not close to me to drive there. It's about 30 minutes away. And I realize to some people that's not very far away, but I drive a long way to work and back, and it's near my work. But being a nurse, you work 12 hours, so it's what, 7 to 7:30. By the time you actually leave and get done handing off your bedside report, handing off, finishing up your chart, it's usually about 8:30. So an hour after that, then you can actually leave the hospital. So all that means that they're closed by the time I leave work. So I can either order it and get it shipped to me for about $9, or I can look on Amazon and see if they have it on Amazon, and then just order it through Amazon. Looking on Amazon for the specific paint, and we'll see if they have it, and we'll order that, and then we'll get started on the dresser. Oh, and yeah, by the way, the product is only $8. So for $16, because I need two things, for $16, $9 shipping. Ain't no way I'm doing that. I'm not paying half of what the product's worth in shipping. I will bite the bullet and drive up there for that. So, oh, I'm seeing the search for it. By the way, everybody, drink your water. Oh, I don't need a set of it for $60. No, I just need one. Well, I need two. I need the color black, and I need a thinner. I'm sure this is really interesting, me trying to find. But anyway, this is what I'm looking for, you know, more of a translucent color. Ooh. Ooh, I found it. I found it. Okay. So it's $11. So we will order that. Okay, so we got that done. So let's go clean the dresser, inspect it, assess it, see what kind of stuff we need to fix, and scuff sand it, and then hopefully we can get all that done and then get a coat of the primer on. So let's get to it. Yeah. Come on over here.
Do we have any normal sugar?
I believe so.
Where is it?
It's in the cabinet. Why?
Did you throw out that sugar mixture stuff?
I did.
But I've been using it.
It was brown. When I made it, it was clear.
Can you make it?
Yeah. Can I finish priming?
How long is that going to take?
You see me doing it.
I have tea already making that.
Okay. Well, I can't stop right this minute to make you sugar water. If you can wait just a little bit, maybe 15 minutes. So I'm wrapping up for the evening, and I've already kind of primed this. So that is the dresser that we worked on and we filmed today. So I'm just...
You thought you were guys gonna get Mexican.
So we're just closing up the shop, and my daughter...
Dude, don't show me on video.
My daughter wants tea. Come here.
No, I'm not ready.
Tell my husband I know that's him because he has a special ringtone.
He's vlogging.
Vlogging? Yes.
You still Mexican?
That would be nice, but we need to order it soon.
I don't think we have to order it soon.
So this is what I'm making. All you do...
Oh, okay, alright.
All you do is a cup of water and a cup of sugar and any teaspoon of flavoring that you want. What kind of flavoring do you want?
What did you make last time?
Vanilla?
Then do vanilla.
Okay. You don't want to be on?
Not if I was not ready. My eyelashes look bad right now.
She's gonna go get eyelashes tomorrow. They're gonna be pink, apparently, and not the white.
Not all pink.
Not all pink. Black and pink.
Eyelashes? Yeah. They're not all gonna be pink. Oh my god.
There's Joe. The camera's not even pointing there.
Yeah, the camera can't see you.
So, what are we wanting to do?
Do you want Mexican? We need to order.
Yeah. Lizzie says, I'll take Mexican.
Alright, you gonna order?
Sure.
You're waking up.
Just kidding, girl. Took a shower. I got warm. You know, one thing led to another. Hey, Wormy, where you at?
Behind you.
Oh, there he is. Yeah, I'm going to do one.
Do not. Oh
What? Hi.
Ooh, close up.
please don't.
Nudge.
That's the peanut gallery.
Are you wanting some dinner? Why are you
They're both
recording
done.
this?
All right, guys. So if you enjoyed this little vlog, a day in the life of me, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, comment, share, and hit that little bell notification, and then you can be notified the next time I upload a video. There are going to be many more vlogs in the future. So I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and stick around and join me for the next video, vlog, whatever we do in the future. All right, bye now.
I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be